What is going on, guys? I'm about to go ahead and get into how I basically make a circle cam. I'm about to go ahead and show you how to do it. So basically the first thing, wait, hold on. Let me go ahead and click back my video. Let me bring this over. Okay. So first what you want to do is basically click on ellipse. Click background. Wait, hold on, wait. Let me go back. Click ellipse. Bring another ellipse out. And bring background. And also merge node. That's what we do. And then after that, then what you want to do is connect media 1 to the merge node 1, and then background. I clicked ellipse to background. Then you want to plug in the merge node, and first you click background to basically choose the specific color you want. And so basically, to finally make the circle cam basically right here, first you want to go to ellipse. Make sure the solid is unchecked. Make sure that that's unchecked, because if it's not unchecked, then this will happen. And then basically what you're going to do is increase the border width, and then boom. There you go. You got yourself a circle cam. If anything was unclear, go ahead and put it in the comments, and I'll probably make a video on it. And